In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal to shop online efficiently and securely. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the digital marketplace, PayPal offers a convenient and secure way to make your purchases, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First and foremost, you need to ensure you have a PayPal account. If you haven't set one up yet, head over to the PayPal website and follow their straightforward instructions to create your account. It's a simple, quick process that requires filling out some basic information like your name and email address, and setting up a secure password. Having a PayPal account not only facilitates transactions, but adds an extra layer of protection to your financial information. Once you've got your account ready, the next step is to log in. Simply visit the PayPal homepage and enter your credentials. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Log into your account and ensure that everything is up to date, particularly your payment methods. With your PayPal account active and ready, it's time to go shopping. Head over to your favorite online store, such as eBay. Browse through their vast selection of items and find something you'd like to purchase. This could be anything from electronics to clothing, so take your time exploring the options. After you've located the item you wish to buy, you'll see an option like Buy it now. Clicking this button will take you to the checkout process. Here, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. Choose PayPal as your preferred option. This is where the magic of PayPal comes into play, streamlining the payment process across multiple platforms. Next, click on the button labeled Pay with PayPal. This action will redirect you to the PayPal website. Here, you'll need to log in once again using your email address and password for security purposes. This step ensures that it's really you authorizing the payment. Once logged in, take a moment to review the payment details that appear on the PayPal website. It's crucial to double-check these details before proceeding. If everything looks correct, you can authorize the transaction by clicking Pay Now or a similar button. This acts as your confirmation that you're ready to make the purchase. Upon successfully authorizing the payment, PayPal will redirect you back to the online store, like eBay, confirming that your order is now finalized. You'll likely receive an email confirmation of your purchase shortly after. And there you have it. You've successfully completed an online purchase you'll be using PayPal. It's a seamless process that not only protects your financial details, but also makes shopping online smoother and more secure. Happy shopping, and thank you for watching.